So just to give you a glimpse of, I have got this huge Nykaa box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic, and today I am super excited to share yet another exciting haul video for you all. So if you want to know what's in today's video, and also make sure to grab a coffee or something to drink because it's gonna be a really long video and I don't want you to just get bored. Let's just get started. So to start with, in the nail category, I stocked up my favorite nail polish remover. They are by far the best nail polish remover I have been using, and they works really good for my skin. So yeah, this retailed for $5.99. However, it was on sale, so I grabbed 2 of the bottles. And in the same nail category, I got these 2 nail polishes. Basically, this is a top coat, and this one I have seen the swatch of my friend's nail. Her name is Ishu. You can check her profile as well on Instagram. They have amazing. She's got amazing nail art designs. You know, a couple of things from Nykaa. First thing is this kajal. This was also on sale. I got it just for $149. I haven't used this yet. And then I've got this lipstick, which right now I am wearing. This is a beautiful shade. The shade name is Thirsty, and it is Get Set Matte Demi Latte. Trust me guys, after Maybelline Poreless foundation, this is the only foundation which I have been using so far. I have finished already 1 bottle. This is in the shade Warm Sand 03. This is so far my favorite foundation. And moving on, I got up my favorite BB cream. This is only BB cream which I use. Earlier I was using Garnier BB cream, but they did not have a shade variant, and then I actually switched to this BB cream, which is by the brand Pond's, and this is 01 original, and this is so far the best BB cream. I used to use it for everyday office. That was my makeup, and this makeup what you're seeing right now, maybe the video would have gone before. If not, then I'm wearing only BB cream and compact powder, so that's all. That gives a really good coverage to your face. This is what my BB cream is. Moving on, I got this lashes. This is for 150 rupees. However, I got it on a sale again. It was just for 130 rupees. Their pack of 2 was for 130 rupees. They are very good quality lashes. Right now I am wearing one of them and I really like it. So then moving on, I started my skincare journey with the Korean brand, which is the Face Shop Rice Water variant. And then I moved on to different brands like Glamaroma is my second brand, which I've been using from so long. There's something about Korean products, guys, and you know how much I'm obsessed about Korean. So I got this cleansing cream. This is a huge jar, guys. It is filled, completely filled. Can you just see? It is. This removes your makeup. Awesome. The next product which I have is another brand which is so much talked about, which is M-Caffeine or McCaffeine, whatever you want to call it. The first one, I have this coffee scrub, and then I got this cocoa body butter. This was a deal, guys. I mean, look at the size. I can't even hold this. This was a deal. So these 2 together was for 780 rupees, and then bam, I got this hand cream for free. I am a person, when it comes to perfumes and when it comes to creams, I always look for cocoa vanilla. That's my favorite. The product which I have is from the Nykaa store, which is from their luxury category. This I saw and I was just sold, and I said I want to invest my money on this. So basically I'm talking about the brand Slubush. This is very chotu bottle, by the way, guys. This is their activating first night care repair serum. Whatever goodness. This retailed for 1800 rupees, and trust me guys, this is bomb. Okay. What I usually do is I apply in the night time, and morning I feel really nice, soft, supple, feeling of my face, and I have been using almost a week now, and I really like it. This is, you just need like 2 pumps of it, and this is, as I said, this is a very small bottle, guys. So yeah, very expensive product. It has got ginseng and all of the goodness what Korean skin needs, and now we need it in India as well. And also with that I got this free pouch. It was just a complimentary free pouch from the brand. Yeah, this is how it looks, and I think it is quite spacious. We can use it when we are traveling. Hopefully we travel soon. And also I received some sample sachets, and that was their same concentrated form of cream. So there were 4 sachets, by the way, guys. I think there were 4 sachets of this, and I have already used 2. It's just 2 of them, and 2 I still have it, and I will be using these They are very thick in consistency and they are very nice and nourishing. I really love it. And the last product which I got from Nykaa was this Mamaearth face wash, which is for my daughter, and also I got this for free which was BAM. This is a neem face mask and I got this one complimentary free. And then moving on, I got few products from Glamorama. I wanted to restock my stuff, so I swear by this brand, guys. This brand has actually, you know, done the magic on my face. So I already have a pumpkin serum with me, so I wanted to give it a try on this pigment clear serum because I have a lot of pigmentation going around here, which you can't see right now, but yeah, I do have. And the next product which I was out of stock, which is by far my favorite one, which is this clay mask. It is not a clay mask, it is a Dead Sea mud pack. And this product, I swear by, if you have like even a tiny small of acne or zits, just take a little amount and apply it on that area and leave it, dry it, wash it, and that's it. Next day you will see no bump on your face, guys. I'm not joking. I have tested. This is my 5th bottle of this one, and this retail for $5.49. The packaging is changed, the size of the product also I feel it is slightly differ. Whatever it is, I will still continue to buy this. This retail for $5.49 as I said. And the last product from Glamorama is their Enzyme Skin Polisher. This does magic on your face, guys. This does magic. You need to use this product and then only you will know what I'm talking about. Look at this. This smells amazing. This smells amazing, and I will be doing a complete detailed review on this, guys. There are few things which you need to know about Polish Enzymer. I will be talking about this separately. So yeah, this retail for $5.75, and it also comes with the expiry date of everything, so it will be mentioned on the box. So moving on, I got this last thing from purple.com. So the next thing what I got is this Maybelline Hyper Glitz Ink liner, which is in the shade brown. I'm trying to open this. These days I'm obsessed with brown color eyeliners. Liner looks like it's beautiful brown color liner. Oh, I love this. And another product which I got from purple.com is L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Smoothing and Radiance. This is another product which is hyped. I didn't want to buy the big bottle, I wanted to just give it a try, so I got the small bottle of it. Now this retailed for 250 rupees and I got it for, like as I said, it was on sale for 215 rupees. This is a plastic bottle, not a fair thing. If you're putting something which is really good for your skin, not a good idea to keep it in plastic bottle. However, the bigger version of this bottle is available in the glass jar. So there's a whole bunch of review already on YouTube. I'm sure you guys have seen. I just wanted to give it a try, so I got it. And this is in a very thin consistency. This is very thin, just like water. It does something to your skin, which I will get to know after using it. You will get to know soon. And the last thing what I got from Purple are these nail polishes. I have got bunch of nail polishes, like 10 of them basically. So I've got these nail polishes. I'll just quickly go through the shades, guys. This first one which I have is Takeout. The first one I have is a Takeout Soup. Then the second one I have is a Neon Green, and already I'm wearing one of the shade, which is this one I'm wearing right now on my nails, which is Smoke Green Author Avenue shade number 17. And then I got Pancake in the shade 3. Then I got Cupcake in the shade 3. Wow, what a names they have. And then I got this Metropolitan Moonlight shade number 14, which has got like glitters in it. And then I got the shade Milk White Crushed Blueberry in the shade 15. And then I got another shade which is Neon Purple. Right now I'm wearing this, which is on my feet right now. And the last shade which I got is Green and White Pizza in the shade 8. So this was the complete haul, guys. I know it was quite a lengthy haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I will be using the products and sooner I'll update you what I feel about them. Yes, now with that said, I shall see you in my next video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell button. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.